After Tiffany finds the ideal gemstones, the magic begins. Tiffany & Company has always had its choice of the most accomplished designers in the world, because here they are invited to dream and let their imagination soar to the sky. Each has a unique understanding of how jewelry should feel and be seen, and never be forgotten. It is Tiffany's genius to know what touches us and so often leaves us speechless, that lifts up what is noble, original, and astonishingly beautiful. And from thousands of ideas held to the timeless Tiffany standard, a select few are chosen. Today, at this very moment, high above the main floor of Tiffany's flagship store in New York City, are the most gifted hands on earth, the master craftsmen of Tiffany & Company.